This video will provide an overview of a new library template available in Reporter for Oasys version 21, allowing data from the LS-DYNA Eigout file to be generated into your report. When computing an eigenvalue analysis, an ASCII human-readable output file known as Eigout is written by LS-DYNA, containing a summary of the eigenvalue analysis results. For example, a list of frequencies in a normal modes analysis. In previous versions of Reporter, there was no easy way to include data from this file directly into your Reporter template. However, from Reporter version 21 onwards, we have introduced a quick and easy method to include data from the Eigout file directly into your Reporter template, by way of a new library template. There are two variants of this template available in A4 portrait layout and PowerPoint layout. To demonstrate this, I have the beginnings of a Reporter template in PowerPoint layout for reviewing my modal analysis results. Firstly, I will create a new page and select the Eigout table option, also in PowerPoint layout. And if I quickly open the table object, you can see that each cell of the table is a variable, which will be populated from the Eigout file upon generation of this page in the Reporter template. At present, the table is empty. All I need to do is to point my default directory variable to the folder containing my Eigout file, and then click Generate for this page of the template. My table is now populated with the first 20 modes of data contained within the Eigout file. Back in Design View, I can reopen the table object and add or remove rows and columns to ensure that the table generated in my report is customized to contain the right amount of data that I require. Thank you.